So after you get that bolt loose, this lock piece will come out, and that probably will allow us to slide the handle off later on. But let's see what we can get from the inside now. So if you look inside, there's a big wire harness connected to our lock. So let's get that removed. Just press this clip down and slide it towards the cell. Okay, if you can see that piece just try to so tighten here. So if you can see the plastic piece underneath that is moving is a piece of our lock mechanism, and those two tabs that hold it are the piece of a handle. So to get it out, we need to push it all the way to the left, to the right, and get it out. But the pin, the plastic clip, so basically this plastic clip won't let this piece to move back, so we will have to pull it back, hold it, and then push our lock mechanism to the right, and hopefully it will be loose after that. So I have got it started. So if you can see, just let the camera focus. Just how that plastic tongue is sitting over. So now we can actually push it to the left and get it removed. Let's actually try to do that while I'm filming. Now it's loose. This piece is holding, so we need to remove that. And let's see what will happen after that.